day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video though, anyone who's interested in joining my free Telegram channel, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code to join. It's basically a channel where I post day to day, hour by hour, market developments that occur. So I keep you up to date with the market. So it's completely free of charge to join. It's a no-brainer. Scan that QR code, team. But let's start with analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Nasdaq currently trading just below 12,200 at 12,182. Rather muted trading session so far. We're currently down around 0.6 of a percentage point. I think that we're just going to be, treading carefully around this current price area, which would be, anywhere from 12,600 down to pretty much down to 11,900. I think that we're going to continue to trade within this range until we see the month of September out. Of course, we have the CPI reading next week. That's on the 13th of September, and I fully anticipate that to show us that inflation has come significantly. That could cause a nice little short-term rally where we perhaps go and test 12,600, where that 50-day moving average and the 50-day EMA currently lie. But I don't think that we break above that. September historically is the worst month of the year with regards to stock market returns, and October isn't that much better. But what does occur in October is that the markets do typically tend to bottom, and then November is meant to be a very good month, and that's when we have the midterm elections. So very encouraging as we go into the latter end of this year, but until then I think that we are going to continue to see some choppiness. Just quickly taking you over to Telegram, to my free channel. I want to show you a message that I sent earlier on during the trading session, and this is the S&P 500, so it's got nothing to do with the Nasdaq 100, and this is every single bear market that occurred dating back to 2009. And as you can see at this moment in time, this is one of the longest bear markets that have occurred. We are yet to recover the losses, so it's taken very, very long. It's been a very frustrating year. But one thing that's very positive about this graph is that the top right hand corner of this chart, and that is that most of these bear markets do typically gain back their losses, so they pair their losses and start to trade in positive territory within 205 trading days. And at this moment in time, we're pretty much trading around 170 trading days. So if we were to follow the previous bear markets, which I'm not saying is going to 100% happen, but if history was to repeat itself, then we are going to be in for a very strong end to the year, and we could potentially go and trade back into positive territory for the year. It might happen, it may not happen. It would be nice if it did happen, but ultimately, I think this dip does get bought, and I see this as a fantastic buying opportunity for the longer term. In 1 or 2 years' time, you're not going to look back and think, oh, I wish I sold up here and bought down here. You're just going to be happy that you got in around this area, because the markets hopefully will be trading above 17,000 at brand new all-time highs. So I'm a massive buyer down here. I think that, short-term, medium-term and long-term, it offers fantastic opportunities.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen